Today we're going to make a creamy Alfredo, which just happens to be vegan. We're going to start with the sauce, which is 1 cup of cashews, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, and 1.5 cups of plant milk. I'm using almond milk here. And I'll also put the recipe in the notes below. Placing the lid on the blender, mix it until it's smooth and there's no more little chunks of cashews in there. Setting the sauce aside, I'm going to prepare my veggies. For 1 box of shelled noodles, I'm going to have 2 full tomatoes, sliced and then diced, and 2 small zucchinis. I like to coin my zucchinis and slice them in half. I'm going to place all my veggies as I cut into the skillet, where I'm going to saute them later. I also have some mushrooms that are kind of going to be iffy in a few days, so we're going to add them as well. And again, when you're ready, place those in a skillet. I'm going to cook these all over medium to high heat, adding some salt, some pepper, and I love garlic salt, so I'm going to add a generous amount. And then guys, I'm going to also add a little drizzle of olive oil. If you are oil-free, I would add about 1/8 cup of water. And you can see there I also added 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Mixing it all together just so it can cook down. I'm going to place the lid on so the steam can cook through that zucchini. Removing the lid, I'll add 2 large handfuls of spinach and allow that to cook down as well. From here, 2 tablespoons of dry basil. And you guys, so yummy. That's our veggies. Taking my shelled noodles, I'm going to add my sauce and my veggies and mix it all thoroughly. And there you go, you have dinner for your whole family. You can portion it out for 1 person. It is super great for leftovers, and I actually like it cold. Be sure to find me on Instagram and follow me here if you want more recipes. Enjoy!